Hello. Europe. Europe is the second smallest continent. The smallest is Australia. It has the third largest population of all the continents. Land and sea borders. It borders the Mediterranean Sea to the south. The Atlantic Ocean lies to the west. The Arctic Ocean to the north. The Urals in Russia mark the border between Europe and Asia. Europe can be broadly divided into 3 regions as shown on the map left. Countries in Europe. There are 50 countries in Europe. The smallest country is Vatican City. The largest country is Russia. There are 5 countries which are in both Europe and Asia: Russia, Kazakhstan, Azerbaijan, Georgia and Turkey. These countries are called transcontinental countries. World wars. The 2 biggest wars in modern history, World War I and World War II, started in Europe. The European Union. Europe is now united under the European Union. This union unites 28 member countries, economic and military power. The population of the Union is over 7 million. 19 of the member countries have a single currency called the euro. They are Austria, Belgium, Cyprus, Estonia, Finland, France, Germany, Greece, Ireland, Italy, Latvia, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Malta, the Netherlands, Portugal, Slovakia, Slovenia and Spain. The Council of Europe. The Council of Europe has 47 member states. This council focuses on upholding democracy, human rights and the rule of law in Europe. The council is based in Strasbourg. The countries which are not members of the Council of Europe are Belarus, Vatican City, and European territories with limited recognition, such as Artsakh, Abkhazia, South Ossetia, Northern Cyprus, Transnistria, and Kosovo. European days. The EU and the Council of Europe both have a Europe Day. The first Europe Day is celebrated on the 5th of May. The second Europe Day was created by the European Union on the 9th of May 1950. It is celebrated on the 9th of May. Other facts. The tallest mountain in Europe is Mount Elbrus in Russia. The longest river is the Volga in Russia. The most active mountain, a volcano, in Europe is Mount Etna in Sicily. The most common religion is Christianity. Islam is the second most common religion. Tourism. The most popular European city is Paris. Barcelona, London, Rome and Berlin are among the top 5 most popular cities. Mountain ranges. The most popular mountain ranges for skiing and hiking are the Alps, the Carpathians, the Caucasus Mountains, the Pyrenees. The economy. Europe has the biggest economy in the world. Germany and the United Kingdom are the most economically developed countries. The least economically developed countries are in Central and Eastern Europe. Wine production. There are 21 countries in the EU which make 44% of the wine produced worldwide. Italy, France and Spain produce the most wine. Climate. The climate can be divided into 5 types. The deciduous forest, this has 4 distinct seasons: warm summers, cold, wet winters. Coniferous forest or taiga forest, cold and dry, snow in winter, warmer summers. Mediterranean, warm to hot in summer, rainfall, precipitations from September to April. Grassland, hot summers, cold winters above average precipitations. Tundra, characterized by permafrost, soil that is frozen for more than 2 years. Very cold winters, warm summers, very little rainfall. Animals in the northern coniferous forests. There are brown bears and wolves. In the deciduous forests, there are deer, foxes, hedgehogs, snakes, wildcats, squirrels. Bye-bye.